Box three, guys. Box three. Chris and Chuck on the Cardinals. Chris on the Falcons. Spam Ravens. Pac-Man Bills Panthers. Bears. Chuck Bengals. Browns Brew. Cowboys Lou Bob. Broncos Pac-Man. Lions Spam. Packers Pac-Man Stand Up Texans. Pac-Man Colts. Pac-Man Jags. Chris Chiefs Spam Dolphins. Working Vikings, Pac-Man Patriots, Stand Up Giants, Dogman Jets Saints, Pac-Man Raiders, Dogman Eagles, Pac-Man Steelers, The Great Gatsby Rams, Chargers, Pac-Man 12, 49ers, Jay Rippey, Seahawks, Bucks, Titans, Pac-Man, Redskins working. Give me some rips, guys. Give me some rips. Y'all know the rules. I don't do anything until I get some rippage. There we go. We got Jay Rippey. That's what I was waiting on. I wasn't waiting on one rip. I was just waiting on a Jay Rippey. Dude, this is the third NT box. We pulled the one of two logo Winston auto booklet out of the second box. Just nasty. Oh, seal. The fourth was busted last Monday, Tuesday. It wasn't very good at all, Chuck. We got a chubby. She's a little chubby. Seal. Seal. I know I got to cover up the code on it, take pictures of it, put it on the intranet. Put it on the intranet. All right, there's no base card on the top. There's an auto. And as you can see, guys, there's ink right there. You guys can see it. There is ink in the box. So, no, there will be no base card on the bottom either. Or actually, is there? Yes, there is a base card on the bottom. All right, here we go. 90 of 99. Drew Brees. New Orleans Saints. New Orleans Saints going to Dogman. I don't see how the $5 teams lasted longer than 3 minutes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. 70 of 99. A Diggy Zua. A Diggy Zua. New York Giants. Where's Dale at? Uh-oh. A Diggy Zua. Everybody makes fun of it because I can never say that guy's name. I always just called him that dude. We got that dude. But you can see the auto is bumped. The auto's jacked. All right, we got a random. 76 of 99. Todd Gurley, Amir Abdullah. Amir Abdullah. Lions, Rams. Gonna go to random, guys. Gonna go to random. 3 of 49. Tony Dorsett, America's team. America's team, Tony Dorsett. Come on, focus. There we go. There we go. Dallas Cowboys going to Lou Bob. I am still live, correct, guys? I'm still live. We got another random. 1 of 25. Tevin Coleman. Tevin Coleman, Cody Latimer. Numbered 1 of 25. Where's my focus at? Man, that focus is terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a lot of colors right there. Numbered 1 of 25. Falcons, Broncos. Falcons are Chris. Broncos are Pac-Man. There's another random. 27 of 99. Doral Green Beckham. Doral Green Beckham. Tennessee Titans going to Pac-Man 12. PM 12. $27 of 99. 8 of 10, Leonard Williams, New York Jets. New York Jets going to Dogman, a $10 team. RPA, Leonard Williams. Come on, focus. There we go. 8 of 10, Leonard Williams. This next card is worth $1 or $2. It's worth $1 or $2. Probably 2. I'd say 2. Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Warren Sapp, Super Bowl auto. Boom! Warren Sapp, Super Bowl auto. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I think all Warren Sapp autos are about $100. Well, 1 of 1, Bashard Perryman, Nike swoosh. Baltimore Ravens going to Spam. 1 of 1 for a $5 team, guys. $5 team right there. 1 of 1, Bashard Perryman going to the Ravens. Mr. Spammage. Congratulations, Mr. Spammage. Congratulations, Mr. Spam, sir. 1 of 1, Bashard Perryman, Nike swoosh. He still loses money. Ha, Chuck. I hate you sometimes. 23 of 25. 23 of 25. Amari Cooper, dual jersey, booklet, Roll Tide, Oakland Raiders, going to Pac-Man 12. 23 of 25. The threes kind of rubbed down. Come on. All right, empty box. There you go, boys. That's the break. Another 1-on-1, dude. That's nice. I mean, hell. There we go. Stop recording.